So I just recorded a recording here using Kiwi SDR out in Alberta, using the Heathkit hot water 16 CW transceiver. The crystal that I have in here right now is 7082. I'm being picked up on 7082.3. I am using my Kent straight key. Currently, with the power level where it's at right now, I'm putting out 30 watts of power here using the Heathkit model hot water 16. I am on my 40 meter dipole that I strung up yesterday, so that seems to be working quite well and I'm quite happy with it. So really looking forward to getting in on some of the novice roundups and the novice nights and play some radio here on this radio. The receive does work well, and tonight we'll see if we can't make a couple CQs. I do have to order some more crystals. I need a couple more for the lower portion of the band, also to allow me to operate on 15 meters with it. So you guys can see here, that's 30 watts on the scale. And up here we've got 30 watts on the scale as well, on the 200 watt scale here. So 30 watts out. I have room for more power, but I'm not going to worry about it. 30 watts is more than enough here to get out. So anyway, I'm glad it's up and running. Like I say, the next radio will be the Helicrafters HT11 transmitter and the Drake 2B receiver. We'll put those in together. I don't know if I'll just run separate antennas or I'll try to make or find a proper transmit receive switch between the two. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, folks, take care, stay safe, have a great Wednesday, and remember, watch out for the other person. The other person may not be watching out for you. In Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada, YQT 73, folks, VE3FAL Fred. Ciao.